1,
2,
3, go. Oh my god! And we are all set to leave कुर्ग की गलियाँ and अब हम enter करेंगे वायनाड की वादियों में. We are almost halfway to वायनाड. Room is getting ready, so it will still take 5-10 minutes. Even have a sitting area to either book your accommodation in Kalpetta or in Vaitri. We are here in Wayanad in the middle of tea plantation. You cannot get enough of this view at all. We have arrived at Karlad Lake. We are walking near the Karlad. So we are now heading towards Bansura Dam in Wayanad. All the local market, just like any other city. So after covering the Karlad Lake, we are here at Bansura Dam. Bansura Dam is the largest earthen dam in India. It has been named after the son of King Mahabali. Right at the entrance you can purchase the tickets. Tickets are separate for viewing, for van services, as well as for carrying camera or video cameras. Huge area is being covered by this dam. The solar panels have also been installed along with the perimeter of the dam. So it is actually generating both hydroelectricity as well as solar electricity. This is the van which will be taking us from the entrance to the viewpoint. It has sitting capacity of almost 25 people. Roughly 25 people can sit. You will still have to walk like almost half a kilometer from the dropping point. Scenic beauty of Banasura Dam, which is actually built on the tributary of Kabini River. Some people call it as Bansagar also. Situated in Kerala. Some of the school children are here for their picnic. Various activities that you can do here, including boating and other water sports. Few of the activities, adventure activities, are here for children also. This is a perfect tourist spot. This is the view under the solar panel installed at Bansura Dam. this is the view that you will get from the top of Bansura Dam. It is definitely a thumbs up from my side. The bus stop is far away from the installed solar panels. Almost the walking distance is almost 1 kilometer. I love Wayanad. I definitely love Wayanad. There are various games here, adventure activities that you can do after visiting the dam. Just like trampoline, dart throw, paintball, some of the very interesting games. This is our lunch. After waiting some time,
Eternity.
which felt like eternity, we finally have this awesome lunch. While going from Banasura Dam towards the viewpoint, we were literally starving. We stopped at a restaurant called Coffee Grove. And I would definitely give a 5 on 5 to this restaurant. You can see the ambience is wonderful. The food was highly delicious and the hospitality was commendable. So this you can definitely visit while your trip to Wayanad. And Bhaskar is still enjoying his meal. Double thumbs up. So we are currently at Pukkud Lake. The ambience seems superb. Right at the entrance of the Pukkud Lake, here beautiful shops are placed and you can purchase different items from here. This is the view of Pukkud Lake. This is a bigger lake as compared to Karlad Lake. Both are same type of tourist spots, water based. Here the facility of fish spa is also available. So Bhaskar and I have decided to take fish spa. Let's have the experience. What sort of experience is this? Washing your feet with normal water, you have to wash your feet with this colored water as well. Done?
Done.
Your turn.
Okay. Rub your neck.
Is there any cut? No? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my god! I'm feeling. This is very. I'm feeling the tingling effect. Yes. Oh my god. Mama, this is. Oh God, I just can't.
कोई नहीं, आप एक बार पैर निकाल के फिर से डालो. पैर निकाल के फिर से डालो. इतने सारे फिश हो गए.
This is a nice experience. This is the very first time that I'm.
Much of tingling. यार एक्चुअली गुदगुदी हो रही है यार.
हाँ, बहुत ज़्यादा गुदगुदी हो रही है. How are you experiencing?
Oh, this is fun.
This is fun.
This is
Too much of
mind-blowing.
tingling. Literally too much of tingling.
Really tingling. At least now I'm feeling better. The first time I was like, oh, what is happening?
Show me your feet now.
See,
Look at mine. Indeed, a very good experience.
Double thumbs up.
Double thumbs up. A very good facility is present here at Pukkud Lake. You can take a bike on rent and can ride it along the lake, which can be a very good experience for you. Pushkar Lake. Too many monkeys are present, so you have to be very careful. They can snatch off your food or drink. Benches are placed towards the lake. You can sit here and can enjoy the beautiful view of the lake.
This you can use it for walking, running, cycling, or any other activity except swimming, of course.
Now we have reached to Chain Tree, a famous spot in Wayanad. It has a very famous story behind it, which I guess Bhaskar will be able to tell you in a better way.
This is a tree which is called as chain tree. How did it derive its name? You can see there is a long chain that is attached to the high branch of the tree. Now this chain is because it is, there is a story goes that there was a local youth called Karim Tandon who helped a British engineer to find the shortest route to Wayanad from the base. But in order to take credit for the discovery of that shortest route, the British engineer killed that tribesman. So the tribesman came back as a ghost and began to haunt the people and began to terrify and kill, especially foreigners who would travel along the road. So to pacify that ghost, what our local people did is they chained the ghost to the tree. So this chain is believed to fix the ghost to the tree so that it does not terrify the people.
One of the very interesting fact about this chain tree is this iron chain, it keeps on growing along with the growth of the tree. This is the final point for today that we are gonna cover. This is called the viewpoint of Wayanad. Terrific view you can see